So that's that. Let's go to I. If you are using I in the three sounds, in the use of the three sounds, you that's I. You can now it's T is put, do, or put on. T is to put or do or put on. Then we have the low sound with the arrow pointing down. Is take, 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 take. I deliberately wrote those two eyes because take has a drag. So I was wondering how we can put it. Take Kelly. But if you put just one eye, it will be tick, tick. So you see, there are times we have to double the word so that we can place them in the right meaning. And then mean, instead of e, mean, quiet, quiet, or don't talk, mean. Then we go to the second line. Chip. Chip means to chip or to carve. Chip, which can also go for chop off. Chop tiny bits off. Then we have dick. Dick is to tire, to be tired, to be exhausted. I'm exhausted. Indic. Indic. In is I. Dick. Indic. So that is that. Dick is tire. Nick is give. Give. Remember we said ta is take. Nick is give. Nick, give. And then we have V. V. There can be V. But I said V to emphasize packing. V in this V, like in the short form, is pack. But if it is with the double I, is to blow. V with one I. V. Well, my trying to differentiate, but one word can go for different meanings. But sometimes there's a way you stress a particular vowel, and it gives you a different meaning. So, what we are saying here is ni, because we have the I, we have that I with a low sound sign, low sound sign. So what is this? Ni means give me. Nick means give out. You see Nick at the second line, third word. Nick, give. Ni, give me. Nick, give. Ni is give me. So the giving is coming to you. But Nick, you are the one giving out. Or you are telling someone to give it out. Nick. So we can also say dindi. Yeah, it's one sound, so it's okay. Even though we have two letters to present. Yes, dindi means strong and rigid. Dindi, strong and rigid. So that's that one.